In the last video, we created this wooden house using just a prompt. So if you missed the video, I'll link it in the description, so go ahead and watch that. So today what we're going to do is we're going to use an image to create a 3D object. Okay, so last time we actually created the prompt using ChatGPT, and this time for the image we're going to use something like Google Gemini. Okay, so here I'm in Google Gemini. I'm going to click on the create image option. So there it is, and I'm going to create a Game of Thrones style with bones and skull. Did it generate? Okay, yeah, as you can see, yes, that looks nice. We've got a lot of skulls and stuff, and we have someone sitting on the throne. I don't want anyone to sit on the throne, I just want the throne alone. Okay, generate just the throne. Oh, looks nice. It still has a lot of swords. Remove the sword with bones. Also remove the person. Let's see what we get. Oh, that looks nice. I'm going to just download this. I'm getting the full size of it. Okay, so it is in my downloads folder. I'm going to go back to Triple AI, and here's the image. I'm going to click on this upload button. There you go. So click on that, open up. So we got the image here. So I'm going to click on the generate model. So I'm going to lose 35 credits. It's going to take some time. We can play with this while it's generating. All right, so that's the preview. Let's just wait. All right, there you go. So that is really nice. Detailed work, but we should know how much of this is actually a 3D model, because it also uses, yeah, as you can see, it also uses a lot of depth map. So that's the actual 3D model. All right, so that's how you can use an image to create a 3D object.